Imagine you're driving late at night totally lost. You call a friend for help, but they're half asleep and kinda useless. So instead, you open Google Maps, and boom, instant directions, traffic upgrades, even tells you where to park. No attitude, no guessing, just facts. And weirdly you trust it, maybe even more than your friend. But why? Why do we trust something made of code and servers more than a real human being? First, AI doesn't judge. You could type the dumbest question into ChatGPT, like do penguins have knees, and it'll answer like you're Einstein. Now try asking that to a person. Best case, they laugh. Worst case, they think you're broken. Also, AI shows up every time, middle of the night. It's awake. Need a translation at the airport? It's already listening. Try calling your group chat for help during a crisis. Good luck getting a reply before 3 business days. A friend of mine, let's call her Sarah, had this full-on breakdown over a work email. She rewrote it like 20 times, then just gave up and fed the whole thing into an AI writing tool. In 10 seconds, it gave her the perfect version. She legit told me, I trust that thing more than my own brain. And honestly, me too. Now, don't get me wrong, humans are great. But we've got some stuff. We get tired. We misunderstand things. We bring emotions into everything. AI doesn't get moody, doesn't take things personally. It's just like, here's what you asked for. No drama. Which, let's be honest, is quite refreshing. Plus, and this is a big one, AI is data. Like all of it. You ask a friend what laptop to buy. They'll say, oh, I heard MacBooks are good. You ask an AI, boom, side-by-side comparisons, reviews, performance stats, and battery life charts. It's not just advice. It's advice with receipts. But we don't just trust AI because it's smart. We trust it because it feels neutral. Like it's not trying to impress us, win an argument, or make us feel bad. It's just giving us what we asked for. But here's the thing, AI might be smart, fast, and always available. But there's one thing it still can't do. It doesn't feel anything. It can't look at you after a bad day and just get it. It doesn't hear your voice crack and say,
hey, are you okay?
It doesn't laugh with you, or cry with you, or say,
that sucks, man.
And actually mean it. Like sure, AI can give you advice, but a real friend, they know your backstory, your weird habits, and also that thing you went through last summer that you don't talk about anymore. They won't just answer the question, they'll understand why you asked. So yeah, AI might be more reliable, but friends are real, messy, unpredictable, but human. And when it comes to being seen, heard, and understood, nothing beats that.